Hello guys, I'm James. A girl to deliver a baby, biological development need to happen in her body. Then only the menstrual cycle will happen regularly, then which will lead for the production of egg in her body. So after the sexual act, the egg will be fertilized, then the fetus will be formed, then the fetus will develop as a baby in the womb of mother. So these all the things to happen, it will take minimum 15 years by an average to a girl child after the girl child will be born. So the 15 years need for the girl child to become mature by an average and ready for the reproduction. But in the rare case, a 5-year baby has delivered a baby. Can you believe this? But this is a real incident. When you hear this, it looks like a crazy incident, but it is still a unbelievable real incident which happened in 1939 in Brazil. So how it is happened and what is the reason maybe for this kind of incidents and what the doctors are suggesting for the reason of these incidents, we are going to reveal in this video. In 1933, a girl child was born as ninth child in a poor family which is located in one of the slum area of Peru. Her name is Lina Medina. At the age of 5 in 1939, some kind of abnormalities the parents has noticed in her stomach. So they thought it may be the result of tumor might have grown in her stomach. So they thought to take her to the hospital. So after the doctors test her, they have confirmed that 7-year baby has growing in her stomach, which was a big shock to the parents, not only the parents, even to the doctors. After 6 more weeks got over, the 5-year baby has delivered a baby through cesarean. The operation was done by the doctor Geraldo. So the newborn baby name also become Geraldo. So after the mother and the child came to the hometown where people look at the baby and the mother very surprisingly because that is unbelievable. Even still now, me also thinking that how it is possible because at the age of 5, how the sexual organs and reproductive organs will develop to a baby to deliver another baby. How it is possible? In 1939, they thought it may be the result of some kind of genetic changes which has happened very rarely to that case, and also they suggest that it may be the result of sexual exploitation the girl might have gone through very early age. So because of that sexual exploitation or sexual abuses, the sexual organs, for instance the breast and also some kind of other sexual organs has grown much faster compared to the normal that age group during that time. When this 5-year girl delivered a boy baby, the baby's weight was 2.7 kg. So the baby was very healthy. But the doctors suggesting that these kind of incidents used to happen in 1 in 10,000 cases. So this is also a very rare case. So the girl might have attained the age even before the age of 5 years. Before the pregnancy, her growth was very normal and also she looked like a child. But during the pregnancy, her breast was developed much faster and the bone around the hip area that also developed much faster. So it is beyond the growth of that age group girl. So this also led to the successful delivery of the baby. Then you might have a question that who is the father of the newborn baby? Because the child who delivered the baby also baby, is there anybody sexually abused her or who was involved in the act? These all the things she never know. At the same time, the investigators had doubt on her father, but father has neglected his involvement in this case. Even then, he was arrested, but after there won't be enough evidence to prove that father is the culprit. So he was released. Later, when the suspicious regarding to this case and many unanswered questions still available in this case, over a period there was some journalists try to reveal this case. So they try to interact with the baby and the mother, but the parents didn't allow the investigator or the reporter to get involved in this case. But in 1955, some reporters has asked with the boy that who is his father, but he didn't answer any questions regarding this. At the same time, he was told that he was very interested to become a doctor. But unfortunately, in 1979, at the age of 40, Gerald has died because of some kind of bone disease. But in 1970, the mother who has delivered the boy has married, so she delivered second child at the age of 39. But still there are many unanswered questions exist regarding this case, and also it is a suspicious and also unbelievable incidents and unbelievable case still revolve around the local town where a case was emerged. Okay friends, what do you think about this case? Give your opinion in our comment section. We shall meet again in our next discussion. Until then, take care. Love you all. Bye bye.